look at this place. The county fair was bursting with life just a short while ago. Colorful lights blinking, the sweet sounds of laughter and music filling the air, and the delicious smells of popcorn and cotton candy drifting on the breeze. Families wandered from ride to ride, friends challenged each other at game booths, and children danced with excitement, their hands sticky from treats and their faces painted with bright designs. Everywhere you looked, there were happy people making memories under the bright county fair lights. But now, as the sun sets and the last guests wave goodbye, a new kind of magic is about to begin. The magic of turning a big, messy party back into a clean, beautiful space. Once the fair is over, someone has to take care of all the wrappers, cups, confetti, and other leftovers from the celebration. That's when our 3 amazing trucks arrive, ready for action, each with a special job to do. Together, they make everything shine again, working as a perfect team so the fairgrounds are clean and ready for whatever comes next. First up, here comes the street sweeper. It rolls onto the scene with its bright lights flashing and its big round brushes spinning round and round. These brushes are like giant brooms, sweeping along the ground, collecting every scrap of paper, glittering confetti, and dust left behind. The brushes twist and twirl, pushing all the little bits into neat, tidy piles. The street sweeper is like a giant vacuum cleaner for the road, making sure nothing is left behind, not even the tiniest piece of popcorn. As it hums along, you can almost hear it singing its own cleanup song, happy to help make the streets sparkle again. Next, it's time for the powerful garbage truck to take center stage. This big, strong truck is built for heavy lifting. It's here to collect all the big trash that the street sweeper can't handle. Plastic bottles, empty bags, leftover food wrappers, and even broken toys or old fair signs. Watch as the garbage truck's tall arms reach out and grab the big bins, lifting them high into the air. With a mighty tilt, all the trash slides out with a clatter and a bang, tumbling into the truck's huge container. The garbage truck is like a superhero, carrying away all the mess and making sure the fairgrounds look neat and tidy once more. But the job isn't finished just yet. Here comes the water tanker, the final member of our cleanup crew. This special truck carries a big tank filled with fresh, clean water. As it moves slowly along the street, it sprays a gentle shower over the ground, washing away any leftover dirt and sticky spots. The water glistens in the light, making the street shimmer like it's brand new. The water tanker is the finishing touch, giving everything a sparkling rinse so the fairgrounds look even better than before. Watch as the 3 trucks work together in perfect harmony. The street sweeper starts first, brushing up all the little bits and making tidy piles. Then, the garbage truck follows close behind, scooping up all the big pieces and carrying them away. Finally, the water tanker brings up the rear, spraying the road clean and leaving it shining. It's like a well-rehearsed dance, each truck playing its part to turn chaos into cleanliness. Just imagine the difference. Only a few minutes ago, the fairgrounds were covered in trash, colorful wrappers fluttering in the breeze, empty cups rolling along the ground, and confetti scattered everywhere. But now, after our 3 cleanup heroes have finished their work, the space is spotless. The pavement gleams, the air smells fresh, and every path and corner is ready for the next big adventure. It's amazing what teamwork can do. Each truck has an important job, but together, they make the impossible seem easy. The county fair may be over, but thanks to the street sweeper, the garbage truck, and the water tanker, the fairgrounds are fresh and clean once again. The next event could be just around the corner. Maybe a parade, a farmer's market, or another festival filled with happy people. No matter what comes next, our cleanup crew will be ready, always working together to keep our community beautiful. Which truck was your favorite? Did you like the street sweeper with its spinning brushes and neat piles? Or maybe the garbage truck, lifting heavy bins and swallowing up all the big trash? Or perhaps the water tanker, spraying a sparkling shower and making everything shine? Each one is special in its own way, and together they show us just how important teamwork can be. So, As you think about the fun of the county fair and the hard work it takes to clean up afterward, remember the three amazing trucks who make it all possible. Maybe next time you see a street sweeper, a garbage truck, or a water tanker in your neighborhood, you'll give them a wave and a smile. After all, they're the heroes who help keep our world clean. If you enjoyed learning about these hardworking trucks and their incredible cleanup teamwork, be sure to let us know which one was your favorite. Tell us in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more big truck adventures. There are so many more vehicles to discover and so many more stories to tell. Let's give a big cheer for our cleanup team. Sweep it up, collect the trash, and wash it down. From chaos to clean, they're always ready to help, making every place shine again. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to show you what our amazing trucks will do next.